Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over what does Batt mean on your Honeywell Home thermostat. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Honeywell thermostat and you see this notification that says Batt and then there's an exclamation point. What actually does that mean? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to actually figure out what this means, Batt means that the batteries on your Honeywell Home thermostat actually need to be replaced. So you can see here it says Batt and there's an exclamation point, and even in the upper right hand corner, there's a lower battery icon. So all you've got to do is actually pull this straight out and then replace the batteries. Depending on what Honeywell Home thermostat batteries you have, you either need AA batteries or AAA batteries. It varies from thermostat to thermostat. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.